welcome back to my channel. So today Amari and I, well, not today, right now Amari and I are doing some alphabets, letter sounds and so forth. So I just thought I'd just show you how I am teaching him his alphabets and his letter sounds and all of that. So I'm just gonna sit down and go through all the little things that Amari and I do. And if you're not already subscribed, yes. What is that? Yes, you can. You can do it. You can do it. Reach up real high. Woohoo!
Yeah.
What letter is that?
I don't know.
J.
Yeah.
And J says?
Two.
Good job. Show me the J.
Yeah.
And the J says?
Coco.
J. Alright. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and remember to like this video as well. So let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so
Mommy.
yeah? What happened? You okay? Alright guys, so yes. I've spoken about the 15 minutes per day already. All you need is just 15 minutes with your child to work on whatever it is that you're working with. If they have homework, I'm sure you can probably take 15 minutes to do it, to help them with their letters, their numbers, their shapes, like anything. Just a minimum of 15 minutes per day is a super helpful. And you don't have to be a stay-at-home mom or a homeschooling parent or anything like that to just dedicate some time to teaching your child, right? So remember, everything starts at home. Whatever it is you want your child to accomplish, it starts at home. So the first thing that we usually do is we sing songs. Like, songs are like one of the easiest things to do. So we sing the alphabet song, and in terms of letter song, we say the A says ah, the A says ah, every letter makes a sound, the A says ah, and so forth like that. So songs is like one of the really good ways and the simplest way, and you can start doing that from your child is months old, like just singing to them, singing because kids love that and so forth. So yeah, and also I've shown you my learning folder already, and some of the times when we're singing we'll just point at the letters and sing along as we go along. So this is another thing. I just got this online and just printed it or something. You can just do this, and I have mine in lowercase. You can do uppercase, both lower and uppercase if you want, but yeah, so that's one, singing songs and identifying letters. And the next thing is to use books. Alright, so when it comes to books and stuff, a lot of persons don't like to read and stuff, so for a toddler you have to make it very interactive, very fun and all of that for them to want to learn. So I use this book, the alphabet whatever. I've had this since Amari was, I don't know, a couple months old, and what I used to do was just go through with him. See, this is A. A says ah. A is for apple, and you just go through with them, showing them the letters, telling them what sound each letter make and all of that, and you can just say, ooh, apple, let's eat the apple, and goes on. You know, you just try to make it fun and interactive so that they love doing it, and that's just one of it. So this is one of the books that we use. I don't have the other book with me now, but there are lots of books with the alphabet. You choose whichever is best for you, whichever you feel like you want to use. It just goes to you. So books. Alright, so the next thing that we use is flashcards. So all I did for these was I just got some paper, wrote the letters on it, and I just put some laminate sheet on it. I used to have a little ring that I used to attach it, but that's out the door. But yeah, so what we do is we just do the flashcards and we mainly do this with the letter sounds. So we go yeah and so forth, and we just do the flashcards and whatever. And he loves the flashcards, guys. So you can do your own flashcards like I did, which didn't cost me anything because we already had papers and yeah. Or you can go to a bookstore and get some flashcards, you know, some that's probably more colorful, more interactive and stuff like that. So flashcards is really, really helpful, and I recommend that you get some flashcards for your kid. Alright, so another thing that we do is we do puzzles, right? And one of the puzzles is this one from, I think, Melissa and Doug. Yeah, this is from Melissa and Doug. And as you can see, each slot have an image that would represent the letter. And I just have the letters stored in a box, and then we'll pick out the letter, identify first which of these have the letter, right? And then we'll find it, and he tries to put it in. And this is also good. You realize it has a little knob, so this is also good to help with their pencil grip and their muscle grip and all of that. So they grip, use their little teeny fingers and they grip it and they try to fit it in. Please don't put it in for them. After trial and error, they're going to figure out how to do it on their own. So they're going to try to put it in, and they turn it and turn it until they figure out the best way to do it. And then they're going to feel so accomplished because like, yeah, I did that and all of that. So please don't do it for them, just allow them to do it themselves. So that is one puzzle. We have a next puzzle. This one. And I really like this, it's really fun. So anywho, so for example, we have the lion. Alright, let me actually find one that. Alright, so we have the apple, right? So it comes in two parts. It's a puzzle. Alright, so this is how it would look. And what we do is first I show him the image. Alright, Amari, this is a apple. And then we try to identify A. So we separate them in different groups and so forth. So identify the A. And then he tries to fit them together like this, and then he calls it his Apple phone or whatever it is. He says it's a phone, and he really, really loves that. And when he puts them together, he's super excited and wants to show it to everyone and say, look, apple, and so forth like that. So you can get these or any other type of puzzle, you know, to help them along. Also, it's kind of dark because I'm doing this video in the evening and the natural light is all gone, so bear with me, I'm almost done. Alright, so the final thing that we do, which was something that you saw earlier when I was doing this, is we have these foam letters. You know, I don't remember how much I paid for these, but it came with some numbers as well. And what we do is, for example, I would hide these letters over the place, and then we play like a treasure hunt. So each time he finds a letter, he identifies the letter, tell me what the letter is and what sound, and he loves that. So we do that, not every day, but you can incorporate things like that. As I said, you just have to make learning fun for your child and all of that. So yeah, that's it. If you like today's video, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and until next time, bye. What letter is that?
K.
K.
K is baby.
And what K says? Good job. Alright, look if we find any more letters. Look all around. All around.
What is this volunteer?
Oh, what is that?
D.
G.
G.
And G says?